everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from at Charlotte's House. I am back with another ornament. Today's ornament is essentially free. I love the way they turned out. I'm not quite finished, but I'm going to teach you how to make these rustic, colorful stars. Stay tuned. To make this ornament, all you need are some small twigs and some twine. I will include links to both of these. I got them on Amazon. You're going to tie off the end of your twig. And the twine that I chose is fairly rough. It's made of nice natural fibers, so it holds its place really well. But I will go back when I'm finished and I will add a little bead of glue right to the top just to hold it in place. Now, I found the easiest way to do this was to twist the stick with my right hand and then hold the string in place with my left hand. And I'm just twisting it like this. I left about 1 centimeter at either end of my stick. That's just an aesthetic decision. You can cover the whole thing, you could paint the ends. So once you get to the end, you're gonna tie it off again here. I should mention there is no magic to the twine that I chose. You could use yarn, you could use cotton string, you could use ribbon. I just like the texture of that, and it actually has worked pretty well because it doesn't unravel, but you can choose anything you like. Originally, I was expecting to glue these ornaments together, but I actually figured out a way to do it just using some twine. So you're gonna wanna get about 18 inches, 2 feet of yarn, and then you're gonna arrange your sticks. Now, this is the arrangement I have gone with. So there's one straight stick and then an X on top. And you're gonna put your twine underneath, and then you're gonna tie just once to hold it in place. You don't need to do a knot, but you can if you want. Notice how they sort of wanna crunch together, that's okay. But then you're gonna wanna sort of hold it. And then you're gonna wrap around each separate one. And this is where you wanna make sure that you're sort of spreading them out. You see how it sort of makes a star? And then when you run out of string, you can just tie off the ends. Isn't that cute? So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a dot of hot glue to all of the ends, and then I can cut these short. I'm gonna tie a little string around one twig, and I'll use that to hang it from the tree. And I think that'll be really sweet, a nice rustic ornament.